Hello everyone. Good morning class 6th. Today we will discuss chapter 3rd Fiber to Fabric part 1. Okay? Fiber to fabric. How fibers are obtained from nature and how they are converted into fabric. We will study all about these and the types of fiber as well as the types of fabrics also we will study. So fiber, a material which is available in the form of thin and continuous strand is called fiber. The thin strands of thread that we see are made up of still thinner strands called fibers. The cloth produced by weaving or knitting textile fiber is called a fabric. Okay, there are two types of fibers. One is natural fiber, plant or animal fiber. Second is man-made fiber or synthetic fiber. Okay, we will study all about these. Natural fibers, they are obtained from plants and animals because they are obtained naturally. That's why they are called natural fiber. Okay, see types of fiber. Natural fiber, the fibers which are obtained from plant and animals are called natural fiber. Example, cotton, wool, jute and silk. You can see in the pics also the cotton. In the first pic, cotton is shown over there, then silk and the wool. Okay, and in the last one jute fiber is shown over there. These all are example of natural fiber. Okay, second type of fiber is man-made or synthetic fiber. The fibers that are synthesized in laboratory are called man-made or synthetic fiber. Examples are nylon, polyester, makmal, fur, okay, as well as rayon, okay, nylon, polyester, makmal you can see, and fur. They are types of man-made or synthetic fiber. First we will discuss about natural fiber. In that we will study about cotton. Cotton is a soft, fluffy, staple fiber that grows in ball or protective case around the seeds of the cotton plants of genus Gossypium in the mallow family. Malvaceae. The fiber is almost pure cellulose. Under natural conditions, the cotton balls will increase the dispersal of the seeds. Okay, you can see in the pics also. The fiber is most often spun into yarn or thread and used to make a soft, breathable textile. The use of cotton fabric is known to date to the prehistoric times. Fragments of cotton fabric dated to 5th millennium before Christian have been found in the Indus Valley Civilization. Found in the Indus Valley Civilization. You can see in the pics also how the women are collecting the cotton from the cotton plants. Okay, processing of making cotton from field to fabric. The process of making cotton transforms the raw fibers into threads, yarn, and fabric in three steps: preparation, spinning, and weaving. Preparation, spinning, and weaving. Okay. Now preparation to be used for thread or fabric. Raw seed cotton must cleaned and free of debris, seeds, burrs, dirt, stems and leaf material are removed from the cotton during ginning. The process of separating cotton from the seed is called ginning. You can see in the pics also. Pics also, seeds are separated from the cotton. Okay. Spinning. The next method is spinning. How? By spinning the cotton is converted into yarn. Yarn is usually of substantial length or small cross section. In the cross section of a yarn, there are usually a multiple number of staple fibers, or filaments, long fibers. Staple means short, filaments mean long fibers of unlimited length. Got it? You can see, of unlimited length. Yarn made out of staple fiber is known as spun fiber because the staple fibers should undergo number of process stages so that a yarn can made out of them. This procedure or process stage in correct sequence is called spinning. Okay, you can see how the spinning is done in the industries also. You can see in the pics also. Okay. Staple spun yarn, those are made by twisting staple fiber together into a strand. The length of fiber is limited. In case of staple spun yarn, given are some of the spun yarns. First is mono yarn, solid, single strand of unlimited length, multi filament, many continuous filaments with some twist. Staple yarn, many short fibers twisted together tightly. Fourth is two plied yarn, two single yarn twisted together. Multi-plied yarn, plied yarns twisted together. Okay. Thread, hard, fine and plied yarn. Cord or cable, many plied yarns twisted into a coarse structure. Okay. Now weaving. Weaving is a method of textile production. Weaving is a method of textile production in which two distinct set of yarns or threads are interlaced at right angles to form a fabric or cloth. Other methods are knitting, crocheting, felting, braiding, plaiting. The longitudinal threads are called wrap and the lateral threads are called weft. Okay, or filling. Now silk, another natural fiber. Silk is a natural protein fiber, some forms of which can be woven into textile. The protein fiber of silk is composed mainly of fibrine and is produced by certain insect larvae to form cocoons. You can see. Okay. There are different types of silkworm produce different silks in terms of luster and texture. Textile example tassar silk, muga silk, kosa silk. They are produced by different types of silk moth. Mulberry silk moth is the most common silk moth. Okay. Mulberry silk moth is the most common silk moth. You can see the different types of silk. is shown over there: mulberry silk, eri silk, SR silk, as well as muga silk. Okay. Now, this life cycle of silkworm, this can be asked in the exams also. This can be asked in the exams also. In 3 marks question or 5 marks question, describe the life cycle of a silkworm with the help of diagram. Okay. With the help of diagram, the steps are: female silk moth lays many tiny eggs. Okay. A tiny black caterpillar hatches out of its egg. Okay, the caterpillar eats mulberry leaves and grows bigger and bigger. It goes through the 4 molds. Okay, then it got converted into larva. The caterpillar spins a cocoon of silk thread around itself. Then it got converted into pupa. Inside the cocoon, the caterpillar changes into pupa. Okay, and then the pupa changes into a moth. The moth comes out of the cocoon, and the adult moth mate with each other. Okay. Silk moth or silk, after they are laid by the silk moth, eggs are stored over a clean cloth or paper strip. When larvae are hatched to form eggs, they are kept in a clean bamboo trays with fresh leaves of mulberry. The larvae feed on the mulberry leaves for about 20 to 25 days. You can see the life cycle or the number of days it takes place. Okay. Processing of silk. Processing of silk. The process of obtaining silk from the silk moth involves rearing of silk, reeling and dyeing. This followed by spinning and weaving. Okay. You can see in the pics also. Okay, dear students, let's move further. So, in this particular video, we studied about natural fiber, natural fibers, and in that we studied about cotton as well as silk. In the next part, we will study about the synthetic fibers or man-made fibers and their types also. Okay, dear students, till then, bye bye. Take care, dear students. So you need to learn the types of the fibers. Okay, thank you so much, dear students. Thank you.